Hello, this is Yannis from Press-Ons by Yannis, and in this video I'm going to show you how to remove your press-on nails by simply soaking them in hot water and some soap. In my case, I love to use some shampoo. This is shampoo by Kiss that I have gotten for myself, but I don't use this shampoo anymore because I don't have color treated hair anymore, and my hair it gets a little dry from this one, so I'm not using that anymore. So I'm using this in my water. Just a small squirt. Well, that's not super small, but... And then I like to stir it up a little. And then I'm just going to stick my hands in there. Now this one is the one that I placed with a sticky tab. The one that I did with glue has already come off at work whilst I was looking up a customer in the system, and I was typing and it fell off. But these nails are still there. They are also done with glue. For transparency's sake, these ones were also done with glue, just simply this one is with a sticky tab because it was for demonstration purposes. So I'm just going to do that, and then I'll come back once they're ready to come off. So they have soaked for quite a while now, and I'm going to remove them. First, you just want to see if it's ready to come off by prying at the sides, and then this one is pretty easy to peel off because it is sticker just, and then you just push, and there it is. And there's the nail. There's the nail. That one's done. And now I'm just going to pop these ones off. I'm going once again in at the sides first. There we go. And there we go. Those are the nails off. Now I'm going to repeat the process with some new warm water. My right hand. So that was how I remove my press-on nails. How you should remove your press-on nails if you do them yourselves. These days I don't really soak them off anymore because I glue them to the peel-off base coat of Jello, which is a Korean brand. that sadly I have to like import because they usually sell these in a set. So it's the 1 kill gel remover that goes with the peel-off base. And now I'm just going to take care of these crusty nails because the leftover glue is going to need to be filed off, and then I'm going to do some cuticle work, and then I'm done. Because we're going bowling this evening, I'm not going to apply my Valentine's set yet. I will apply my Valentine's set tomorrow because I don't want to ruin the sets whilst bowling. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.